Welcome back to Joanna's Kitchen Adventures.
Aloha friends, and welcome back to Joanna's Kitchen Adventures. Today we're going to make a no-bake peanut butter pie, and it starts with making an Oreo cookie crust, which is what we're going to do now. So we're going to add about 22 Oreo cookies into our food processor. You can also use a Ziploc bag and crush it up to make some crumbs. That makes quick work of it. Maybe I'll do a little longer. Great. So we've got our cookie crumbs. And then we've got some butter here. And the butter is going to help pull that all together. Get that mixed up in our bowl so it's evenly distributed. Pour it into our pie shell. Now we've gotten that evenly distributed. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll cool it completely before putting our no-bake peanut butter pie in here. So we'll go to that point. Okay, now that the pie crust is cooling, we're gonna put the filling together. So I've got a block of softened cream cheese here. And to it, I'm gonna add some peanut butter. And we're going to whip that together until it's nice and smooth. It should look something like that, well combined. Then we'll add our powdered sugar. It's about 1.5 cups. Start slow. Now we're going to add some vanilla. Now our mixture is to this point. I'm going to scrape down the sides. And now we're going to add our Cool Whip and fold it in. That's really funny. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let's fold it in. So now that that's folded in, where it's an even consistency throughout, This is some chopped peanut butter cups that we're gonna put most of it in and save the rest for the top, and we're gonna just fold that in. Now that our filling is put together and our pie crust is cooled, we're gonna assemble our pie. This will just go in to the pie. Spread that out. And then we're going to use the rest of the peanut butter cups to adorn the top of our pie. And there you have it, a no-bake peanut butter pie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again.